It's time to give you the facts about the wax. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, today we're going to make some candles. I'm going to show you how I could light up your life.
Hi all, I'm Lisa and I am going to show you a little bit of what you're going to learn in the art of candle making.
We just call somebody that's make candles.
Oh, a candle.
So we're going to need a notebook, a pen, a calculator, a wick stabilizer, a wick sticker, a scale, a mixing tool, a jar for the fragrance oil. You need fragrance oil. You need a dropper, a vessel for the wax. You need wax and a jar for this project. Hear this now. I never come here to do schoolwork, you know.
This is important. I have a formula to make candles.
The art of candle making have a whole science behind it, and if you want the in-depth steps as to how to make a candle, you can join CTS College quick do-it-yourself course which lasts just one day, where you will get this course done with Lisa to find out how to make candles.
We're doing the formula here so that we have everything accurate and we don't put too much wax or too much fragrance in the jar.
After calculating how much wax we needed, it was like wax on, wax off to make sure I get it right.
So we're going to rest this right here and leave it to melt.
As you can see, we place the vessel with the wax in some boiling water as we mix it so that way it becomes a liquid. Then what we do is we prepare the jar by taking the wick and the wick sticker, sticking it at the bottom, and then taking the wick stabilizer so that it doesn't move and putting it to the top. Okay, this one.
Alright, cool.
Yeah.
I love it too.
After choosing which fragrance we wanted, it was time to measure out how much we would need. So the wax finished melting.
Add it and then you're going to mix it for a total of 1 minute.
Placing the fragrance into the wax and then mixing it was the next step. It was now time to place that wax into the jar, but you had to take your time and it didn't want to create any bubbles, so you had to have a smooth flow.
I'm going to tap it a few times. Now this is going to remove any bubbles that it may have in it.
So my job right now is just to make sure to watch it but not touch it.
Watch it but not touch it, that's it.
Yeah, the hard step for me, waiting for this to solidify. However, it was pretty beautiful to see it go from liquid all the way into solid form.
This is our finished candle. I'm going to remove this. And as you can see, this is a characteristic of soy. The top of it is not too smooth. And I like the top of my candles to be smooth. Wax that we had, when we poured, we melted it a little bit. And we're just going to pour it on top. We're going to leave that to set. And that is going to smoothen the top of the candle.
Such an intricate process but very therapeutic, and getting to choose my own scent made it even more beautiful. And just like that, a candle in a jar, ready to light up your life. So if you want to know how to light up your own life, all you have to do is call 671-2551 or visit CTS College today.